If you have invested in the offshore market, you already know that the stock market have been bleeding for the last 5 days straight years, and I started investing in the offshore market using Scope Market in August, and this is the first time since then I have experienced a real dip or a major dip in my portfolio. And as experts say, they say that the dip are the perfect time for you to buy more. So I would like us to go through the reason why the markets are bleeding or the markets are going down, and I'll also share how my portfolio looks like right now. And then we are going to go through the process of investing in the offshore market, because yesterday I did my monthly stock top-ups, and this time I want to focus more on ETFs, and I'm glad I did this or I did so during a dip. And if the market continue going lower, I'm going to add my next month deposit, and since I recorded the process, I'm going to be sharing this with you. Remember, we said that my strategy, and it's a strategy that is recommended, you can do dollar cost averaging, where you put aside a small amount of money every month and then you invest in the stock market, or you invest in shares. That way it allows you to buy in the dips and also to make profit at different intervals. And because you're accumulating over time, it doesn't become like a burden, or you don't buy the stocks at a single price. So when you do this, it allows you to invest even when the markets are going down. So it means that you're going to be buying the stocks even at lower prices, okay? So this video is for both beginners, those people who want to venture into the offshore stock market, and also for those people who have already invested, because it has some updates, all right? And I would like to mention that the reason why I started exploring this market is because I wanted to invest more in the ETFs, and that is what we are going to be adding to our portfolio moving forward. And for those who are new to ETFs are a group of stocks bundled together. So when you're investing in a particular ETF, it's like you're investing in those individual stocks, okay? An example is maybe VOO ETF, which is an ETF holding stock of the top 500 companies in US. So if you don't have any time to go picking individual stocks or individual shares to invest in, you can go for an ETF. And that way you get to diversify your investment across different companies. If you invest in the VOO, it means that you're investing in companies like Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and the top 500 companies in the US stock exchange. And that is where my focus is, in the ETFs, and that is what we are going to be adding. The average growth rate for an ETF, especially for the S&P 500, is 10%, and that is what you're going for. If you invest and you earn a 10% on the dollar yearly, then I think that is a very good investment. And unlike individual stocks, ETFs are a bit they're not as volatile, okay? But at the end of the day, you're making money. It's a bit safer than individual stocks, all right? So let's start with what has been happening. And in this table, you can see that the S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 stocks, is down 3.1% in the last 5 days. Let's talk about the why. And for this, I will answer with 3 words: elections, Fed, and overvalued. So tomorrow, that is a day after recording this video, is it? Yes. There will be US elections, and just as any elections, there are some tension, and in such situations, people like cashing out to avoid market crashes. And depending on the outcomes, the markets will either rally or drop. So we're waiting to see which direction they're going to move, right? But even if they go down, remember, it is an opportunity to add more, okay? The other thing that is causing this is the Fed cuts. Just last week, the Fed boss said no more rate cuts soon, yeah? And the other thing is, I also feel like these markets are already overvalued. Stocks right now are costing too much for what they earn. Right now, the S&P 500 trades as 24x future profits, and that is super, super expensive. That is like the top 10% in the history. And even the bank CEOs said it like that, the tech is the new dot-com bubble. So investors are selling the winners to just take profit. So we might see some major corrections in the markets, but if you do, remember again, it's time to add into your portfolio. But today's focus is on how to invest, because the best time to invest is during the dips. Someone said that the best time to make money in the stock market is during crisis. So you take advantage of this and you buy more and put more into your baskets, okay? So let's get ready when this is happening. We get the accounts and get on board during the dips. And remember, these are long-term investments. You're talking about 3 to 5 years. But if the markets are doing good and they hit your target, you can always take profits, okay? Now, let me show you how to invest in under 5 minutes. This is my Scope Market account, and if you're interested, you can use my link. I will leave it in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Click on it and sign up. When you do, you'll receive a call from the Scope Market team to guide you on how to use the platform. They can even help you do your first transaction or your first investment. And if you want, they can recommend stocks you can start with. And if you opened an account with Scope Market and started investing, let me know in the comment section. How was the experience? How was the customer service? I would love to hear from you guys to make sure that you're receiving the same experience that I'm recommending. Now, we're investing in VOOG. VOOG is an ETF that focuses on growth stocks within the S&P 500. So it is a growth ETF, a bit volatile than VOO, which invest in stock tracked by S&P 500. If you want to understand about ETFs, you can click here to watch a video we did introducing the ETF. So I have already added VOOG to my watch list. So the next thing that we need to do is to right click on it, then click on order. Then here I will calculate the volume or the number here that I need to invest in. And these I get by dividing the amount you want to invest with the share price. So that is $41 because I'm investing $41, divide by 445 and we get 0.09. So this is the fraction we are going to get with our $41, which is equivalent to around 5,000 Kenya shillings. After that, just click on buy market, and as soon as you do, you will see your investment under trade. The reason why I'm doing this is to show you how easy it is to invest in the offshore market or to get into the stock market. Start with as little as $1. So if you have always wanted to invest in the stock market, this is one of the ways that you can go about it. If you prefer someone else do this for you, you can invest through an equity fund. And here is a video that I talked about a fund that invests in stocks on your behalf. All you need to do is give them your money and they invest for you. And in return, you pay a small fees for management, but you get the returns. Happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.